In this video, you will learn about the order flow VWAP, or volume weighted average price indicator, how it's calculated, how to insert it into a chart, and how to set the standard deviation bands. Now, volume weighted average price is simply price multiplied by the volume at any given price point throughout the day, and then divided by the total amount of volume traded, and that's tracked on a continuous basis going forward in real time. Let's take a look. I have a 10-minute candle chart of the NASDAQ futures. I'm going to right click, a pop-up menu will appear, and I'm going to select the word indicators at the top of the menu. It'll open up a dialog box with all of the available indicators. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and find order flow VWAP, or order flow volume weighted average price. I'm going to double click, and it's going to go ahead and activate or configure this particular indicator. I'm going to make sure it's highlighted, and on the right hand side I could change some properties, and you can see, in addition to the volume weighted average price itself, you could add standard deviation bands around that price, as many as 3 of them, and we'll keep it at 3 for now. And I'm going to go ahead and just change the color of the difference between the standard deviation, a second level standard deviation area, from blue to light sky blue. And I'm going to keep everything else pretty much the same. And I'm going to go ahead and change calculate on price change, hit apply, and hit OK. And it added it to my chart. And you can see we anchored it here from the start of the session last night. And it tracks this middle line, light green, all the way to red, indicates direction. As volume and price accumulate, this calculation continues forward throughout the day on a real-time basis. It's really simple to add the order flow suite. Simply log into your account, navigate to the settings section, click on the word plans, and you'll see order flow plus. Simply click the buy button and you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out all of our quick tip videos to help you get started with the NinjaTrader desktop platform.